Hello, I'm Vivek, and I'm here to discuss about the types of relationships in the salesforce. And there are many relations that will be available, and I will be discussing only about these three types of relationship. And selecting the relationship for the objects plays an important role in the data model that you which you want to create. Like you need to select the type of relationship that which will be fit for the objects that you will be created, and according to the requirement of the data to process it. And I will be discussing about lookup relationship. Lookup relationship mainly termed this as an loosely coupled relationship because it does not require any parent object. Like it can be created between the two custom objects, or like a standard object to the custom object. And in this type of relationship, we cannot use the field as a roll up summary, and it does not require any parent object. It can be created between like two custom objects on the two standard objects, like, or a standard object to the custom object, according to the choice of the object or choice of the relation that you want to make. And you can also make access attributes from the one type of one object to the other object. And you can make the it's like vice versa, you can use from this to this and this to this. And the other relationship, it will be like master relation. In the master detail relationship, it is must necessary that it should at least have one parent object. And you can also access the attributes from the child to the parent and parent to the child. In this will, like in the lookup relationship, we cannot use a roll up summary, right? But here we can also use the roll up summary. So that's a, it has its own advantages, and this will be having its own advantages. In this, the fields can be accessed vice versa, and that's it. Okay. In a many to many relationship, in this type of relationship, one object is all is being repeatedly or like timely being used from the other object, and it is very difficult for the object like to create the same type of field in a different object. So it will be like, it will be efficient manner, like if you create an object once, and you will be creating you will be using this object to the many different objects. By this, the efficiency of the data model will be also increases, and reusability will be also increased, and it will be and efficient. And I will be showing demonstrating in my sources account. And these are the objects that which I created, and I will be using this the objects in my custom app. And this is the master detail relationship, you can say. Will be you connected the region to the country, so that the fields from the region I can be accessed through country. And this type, here the relationship is like lookup relationship. You can ask in the same way, but here we cannot use a role of summary this one. And this will be looks like an blue line, and this will be representing as a red line. Uh, many to many, like this is the many to, like job is object is being accessed by the job object field, and the department object, and the employee object. And that's it from me.